Welcome back to shorts number 20. This is the toughest part that many people have come across in my student when they use the data set like this. I have some failed students here, I have some past students here. I want to replace the retest marks in the final mark list or the test results here. To do this, we manually do it one by one, but in here we're not going to do that. I'm going to just select the whole list on the retest point, wherever whoever took the retest, I'll copy that. I'll come back to the test results here, I'll give a right click here, I'll PasteSpecial, and then I'll add a skip blank here, and when I give an OK, that's going to automatically add the valuation. Wherever we have a blank here, that'll be skipped. Those data will not be added in this list, and I see the past results everywhere in my data set here. This is how we can replace the data set which is non-continuous here. Thank you so much.